Okay, camera's on. Filming. Quiet on set. Whew. I'm just gonna put my rings on. While I'm doing that, I just want to welcome you to my channel and to my video. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, it's Carol. How are you? I see you. Today, I'm going to show you some products that were sent to me, and I also want a giveaway. And at the end of the video, we're going to have a giveaway. I'm going to show you what I'm going to give you. You know Dr. Nassif, Paul Nassif of Beverly Hills. He was my surgeon when he fixed all my breathing problems, and he had a giveaway contest, and he said for you to send in a picture or send in a video of yourself using the products or yourself with the products. And that's what his Instagram post looked like. So I made a little video and I put it on Instagram. So all of you that are here from Instagram, you've already seen this, but I'll put this on for all YouTubers to see. So this is my entry to Dr. Nassif's contest giveaway. So anyway, guess what? I won, and I was shocked. The prize is just incredible. Let me show you. The first prize was 4 products, and this is an under eye smoother with 10% eye serum. This is a gigantic tub of detox pads, complexion perfecting pads with alpha beta hydroxy, and there's 60 pads here, and you can go to his website. I will put a link to these products if you're interested in purchasing. So the other one is for the neck and the décolleté. It's Deco Lift Neck Firming Complex Serum with Elastoderm C and neopeptides. He knows just what he's doing. He knows the right ingredients to put in his products. And last but not least is my favorite hydro screen. I bought this twice already from the shopping club, QVC I think, and it comes like this. Oh my goodness, this is hydro screen super hydrating serum with hyaluronic filling spheres and ceramide molecular film, and this is exactly what he gives his patients 2 weeks prior to surgery. So they will hydrate their face and their skin and their neck if they're having a facelift. So these were my 4 prizes that I won from Dr. Nassif. I just love you, Dr. Nassif. And I was so happy that I won this. Next, I went on the Octoly website and I picked out a couple of things that I knew I would like. And let me show you what I picked out. And it was sent to me by Skin Diva through Octoly. It is 100% pure hyaluronic acid. It plumps, restores, hydrates, day-night moisture enhancing treatment. It's quite amazing. It's non-greasy, it dries fast and clear, natural and paraben free, more actives, less chemicals, and a higher concentration than any other. Natural and paraben free. We don't use excess ingredients to make up a lack of actives. We like to keep it simple and effective. The Skin Diva Serum collection contains active ingredients at maximum concentration for intense anti-aging treatment. So one product was the hyaluronic acid, which I love, and I love Skin Diva. So the next product from Skin Diva is 20% vitamin C and E plus ferulic acid serum. And it says that it is the maximum concentration. And the E ferulic extends the life of the vitamin C. So it's very important to have E ferulic with your vitamin C. And the vitamin C, of course, they use a 20% concentration of L-absorbic acid for maximum benefit. And the hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water. So this is what it looks like. And this I will put in a refrigerator and it will last me a long time. Oh, and I just read, wait, you're not going to believe this. This is amazing. Okay. Other vitamin C serums will oxidize and expire in less than a month. This product is guaranteed fresh and effective for 3 months. So this is a great product. I had to get my hands on it. So I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready to use it, but they were smart to put it in a dark bottle so it doesn't oxidize as fast. And this has a 3-month shelf life. That is really cool. So thank you, Skin Diva. The next thing I want to show you is a tooth whitening kit that was sent to me from Smile Diva. Skin Diva is the parent company of Smile Diva. And I said, this would be great. I asked my grandchildren if anyone wanted to try it, and my oldest granddaughter said she would love to try it. She is a dental student in California. She's studying to be a dental hygienist, and she's very interested in teeth. So I have a clip of her before and after, and let's see what happened with her teeth. So this is my granddaughter's before and after. Before, her teeth were shade 9. After doing it, after doing 6 treatments, 2 treatments per syringe for a total of 6 treatments, and she spaced hers out for over 3 weeks, she then progressed to a shade 6, which is amazing. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. She also said that it was much better than the Crest white strips, and she was very happy with it, and it worked better than those. And also, there was no sensitivity at all. She usually has one tooth that's usually very sensitive to cold and products, but it didn't irritate it at all. So overall, she had quite good success. And I'm so happy to see how beautiful her teeth look. Thank you, Daniella, for experimenting with this kit, for trying it out for Grandma, and all of us appreciate that you did that. So thank you, sweetie. I love you. And I think she did a great job. Thank you so much. So thank you, Skin Diva, and thank you, Smile Diva. And thank you, Dr. Nassif. So now to get on with our giveaway, I have to let you all know that when we have a giveaway on our channels, we don't reply to comments because then our name will count as an entry, and we don't want that. So we want just your name, and random picker goes right to my video, takes all the names, throws it in a bowl, and picks it. And I'll do that on air for you so you can see who the winner is. And this time I'm going to give out another palm brush, another robe, and your choice of color. I have blue, red, and green. And I'm going to give away, let's see, a ring. And you can pick which one you want. I'm going to give you a choice of rings, and then you can pick which one you want. Now, probably on the bottom row, you know, this isn't even the rings that are on top of my jewelry case in my closet. These rings I've been collecting for you, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this emerald green color. It's a sterling silver ring. Look at this aqua blue. Oh my goodness. I'm wearing this one that I'm wearing, and these these two, whatever you'd like. You just pick out one of them and I'll send it to you along with the robe and the palm brush. I hope you all leave a comment so I can enter you. I hope you all are subscribers, and I'll see you on Saturday. I upload every Saturday morning, and I hope that the person who wins is excited as I am to give it away. Oh, and this isn't this one. This was the beige one that I wore. This is a really different one. This is a mauve color stole. I just love these. They're just so glamorous and comfortable and warm. They just feel great. And the inside is just soft, soft velvet. And I will put some links down below for you too. So everything will be down below. If you feel like hitting the subscribe button and the bell, I would love it. If you want to share my video, that would help me grow. That would keep me excited to do this. If I grew, maybe you can help me grow. And share, like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you have to do. Well, I'll take care of the rest. So I'll see you next Saturday. Have a great, great, wonderful